Hey guys, so we're at Cash and Carry in Tortola, and we were hired to do polished concrete with an epoxy grout coat. So we're just getting everything set up. It's our first week here. We've done some edging already. We're hanging the plastic, and we're about to do some self-leveling cement to do some repairs in the loading area where the pallet jacks have damaged the existing concrete slab. So I'll walk you around the store and show you what we're working on tonight. So this is where we've hung up the plastic just to minimize the dust on the shelving. We've started with the floor machine.
This supermarket was built in 2008 as part of a large expansion project in their flagship location in the British Virgin Islands. And for years I would walk in the store and witness a beautifully finished and power-floated concrete slab, but at some point over the 15 years it was covered with gray paint hiding its natural beauty. We began by using the large floor machines and 30 grit metal bits to remove all the existing floor paint and exposing the natural stones in the concrete slab. Off with the paint and in with the new polished concrete. During this restoration process, we used Sherwin Williams epoxy for our grout coat application to fill a lot of the smaller holes and cracks. Then we applied 2 coats of a concrete hardener liquid called densifier to harden the surface and give it the durability required for the high foot traffic.
Hey guys, we're here at Cash and Carry in Tortola. Tonight we're applying guard to 3 of the aisles in the Cash and Carry store. So we've been polishing the floor for a few weeks now. We're nearing completion, and I'm just here getting some footage of the final stages. So hope you're liking the video so far.
Once the grout coat and polishing process was completed, we applied 3 coats of sealer for polished concrete, better known in the industry as guard, manufactured by Ameripolish. This product gives the finished concrete floor the stain protection and the high gloss and sheen that the client requested, while keeping the natural look of the concrete of the original concrete slab.